Sky Fiber Internet Review. Sky Fiber Internet is a popular broadband service in Philippines, providing high-speed internet connectivity to your homes and businesses. Known for its competitive pricing and wide range of packages, Sky Fiber offers various features that cater to different needs. Here's a detailed review. Sky Fiber offers a variety of packages with speeds ranging from 5 MB to 1 GB, making it suitable for casual users and large families. Sky Fiber is known for providing stable internet connections in urban and suburban areas. The quality of service can depend on the specific location, with major cities having more consistent performance than rural areas. The installation process for Sky Fiber is straightforward, with technicians typically arriving within a few days for signing up. For new customers, the initial setup includes the installation of a modem and a router. Sky Fiber's customer service is generally responsive, with several contact channels available. It offers competitive pricing for its speed that delivers. The plans are generally considered affordable compared to the other major internet providers in the Philippines. It has free Wi-Fi modem, no data caps, and bundling options. But some reports of slow speeds during peak hours in rural areas, and installation can take longer than expected in certain areas, while customer service wait times can be long during busy periods. So Sky Fiber is an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable high-speed internet at competitive prices in the Philippines. It offers great value for money, particularly for users who need consistent speeds for streaming, gaming, or other work-from-home setups. However, as many ISPs, there are occasional issues with service in less densely populated areas, and installation times can vary, so be careful. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.